Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to backup and restore your Google Chrome profile manually on Windows 11 or Windows 10. This method allows you to safely save your bookmarks, passwords, extensions, history, and all browser settings without using any third-party software. This is very useful if you are reinstalling Windows, switching to a new computer, or simply want to keep a backup of your browser data. So let's get started. First, make sure Google Chrome is completely closed on your computer. If Chrome is running in the background, the backup may not work properly. Now press Windows plus R keys on the keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the Run dialog box, you need to copy and paste %local app %google /user space data. I will put this one command in this one video description. After pasting this one command, click on the OK button or press enter on the keyboard. This will open the Google user data folder. Here you will see several folders. You need to copy default and profile 1, 2 and so on with the profile names. The default folder is your main Chrome profile. If you are using multiple profiles, each profile will have its own folder such as profile 1, profile 2. To backup your Chrome profile, simply copy the default folder or any profile folder you want and paste it in a safe location such as another drive, USB drive or external storage. That's it. Your Google Chrome profile backup is now complete. Now let's see how to restore it. Again, make sure Google Chrome is completely closed. You need to go back to this same location by running the same command %local app data %google /chrome /user space data. After that, press enter or click OK. Now if you want to restore your profile, simply paste your backup folder here. If a folder with the same name already exists, you can replace it with your backup. After that, open Google Chrome. You will see that all your bookmarks, extensions, passwords and settings are restored exactly as before. If you are using multiple profiles, make sure to paste the correct folder name such as profile 1, profile 2 and so on to restore the correct account. And that's how you can easily backup and restore your Google Chrome profile manually. This method is simple, fast and does not require any software. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.